if one case of corona come in my country, that
and as you know, when I talk about, you see me telling you all the while, I'm afraid of dunce people, and these are the things. And you see, sometimes the internet too is a host for a lot of the warmongers or the bullies, the internet bullies, and you know, me not care about them. Cause I true me I live up in a life. I true God said, take life, girl, and live up. You understand? Cause me don't want to go back in all my skin, Andrika. You understand? Come here, say live up, and God say, take life, Miss Kitty. Yeah, take life and live, girl. You don't like me a fight for live. I better start living now, right? Somebody say live up and try. And to my mother pray for me and them somebody. Me, you know what? You just yeah. You understand me? And you know good clean people now. So you know you grow, you mature, yeah. You understand? But me tell you say a lot of these people on this internet here, me tell you say them nudge me teeth. Them hurt my soul because a lot of them have absolutely no brain cell whatsoever and no insight and no thought whatsoever because they just want likes and they just want the clicks and they just want the shares and the retweets and all that stuff. So I came across, I heard about, you know, someone online advocating that the person, patient zero, and I'm thinking to myself, I'm thinking to myself, okay, first of all, what kind of idiocy, what kind of inhumane line of argument is that? I have not verified the video for myself or you know, authenticated it or looked at it or anything like that, and that is why I'm not even going to refer to the individual, but I'm just saying to persons who are living threats against or recommending death to persons who have been infected with the coronavirus, might I remind you that nobody goes and pick up sickness and put it upon themselves. Again, the coronavirus, the great equalizer, has shown us that we all are susceptible and we all can contract the coronavirus. Nobody goes and takes up sickness and say, come here sickness, jump in on my lungs. Yeah man, take root from my body. Yeah man, dab up in on my respiratory system and my tracker. Yeah man, and kill me off and so I can infect people. We have to be very careful about the messages that we disseminate, the things we sometimes unwittingly or unknowingly incite. And you never know when it can happen to you or a loved one. So we have to be careful of the pronouncements that we make. Sickness not have respect to a class, creed, color, bank book, social status, or anything at all. Anybody can sick and anybody can dead. So to advocate or even mention something like that, it just shows you the type of scoundrel and scum that people can be. How could you even say that's not even funny? And even if it's funny in your empty head, make it stay there. Make it stay right there. Because some people think that it's okay just to say everything and anything and not care about how it impacts people and people's lives. Why would we need to be threatening people, their family, about coronavirus? Of course, it is unfortunate that, you know, oh, well, the spread has happened. They came and this retreat. I don't know, nobody never want this. But be that as it may, there are first world countries with better infrastructure, better everything, and they have it. So Jamaica is not immune to the things them. So if it is that it has come, let us not ostracize, alienate, or vilify others. Because somebody can't in your body, Andrika, you don't know. Yes. The only person for whom I would be against who I would be angry and vehemently angry is somebody who knowingly has it and knowingly infects somebody. You understand? But really and truly, by and large, most people don't know that they have it. You think say a mother or a father are going to know so they have it and they're on them kids? Nope. There are so many. Look at Idris Elba. He wiped the right time elbow when he talk today. Right? You think the man, if the man did know say him have it, he would have loved him wife? He don't know. So how can you sit there and blame and say, oh, people for dead? Why don't I go? Me tell you, say, God, you know what me telling you, you know? Me say, the world, they have the same energy with condom. Me I tell you, say, no, enough of them don't sleep that unborn, you know? And enough of the problem with that stem, you know? Me I tell you, you know? right? Anybody can get ill. We don't want it for ourselves. We don't want it for our families. But the families are persons who have been afflicted by it and affected by it. Again, let us stock up on some compassion now. Let us stock up on some love now, some understanding, some empathy. Why do we always have to go to the lowest of the low? And then when you start class them and read them rights, your ears say you're wicked. Why do people them never advocate that for them when them deceive the people them money? Never advocate that. Them come on the internet and ball and beg and plead. Boy, have mercy, don't kill me, boy. And yet still money thief and breast do body do and all kind of different things and them not graduate from nowhere. Be ignorant. So why do we grapple and descend into the arena? Let us be careful now. Anybody can sick. Anybody can anything can happen. And to all coronavirus I go right now, it's just elbow. You think the Tom Hanks never run up in it? You think the footballer them never run up in it, or the basketballer them? So come on guys, please. If the dumb people them could have just really refrain, I wish them finger, I wish I would have 10 big finger and can't text. Or turn on them phone. You understand? I wish they have like a criteria. Like when you're going to your visa, you have to meet certain criteria for have a smartphone. Because the phone's smarter than them by far. It's crazy. In a time like this, we should be extending our love or compassion to our fellow brothers and sisters. Nobody wants this monster. Nobody wants this thing. And nobody can be blamed except, save and except, someone who knows that he or she is infected and knowingly infects other people. So let us stock up on not just the groceries in the house and the food and all of that, but let us try to stock up on some compassion and some love, you know. And really and truly, the illiterate and the darkness, me tell you, say, don't say, be Jamaica downfall. Me I tell you, all we are going here. Hello, please. Them IQ in them ankle. Me not ask you. You ban, low bad, low IQ. They licky them. I gotta tell you, the licks. Oh my goodness, I gotta
take several.
No, you know the lesson have to start because at the end of the day, human beings all are we, and we want to ensure that we don't incite any kind of violence or any kind of warmongering or any type of animosity. We are already grappling with a monster virus. We don't need anything else to add insult to injury, and so we have to be responsible and mindful of what we say and how we say it, especially in a time such as this.